Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Food Network Kitchen app, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate the Food Network Kitchen app, begin by downloading the app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to reach the welcome screen. You will see an option to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, tap on the sign in option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Food Network account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a password. Once your account is set up, you will be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Food Network Kitchen. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the app and sign in using your credentials. After signing in, navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the option to activate your subscription or membership. If prompted, enter any required activation code provided by your service. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once activated, you are ready to explore the app's features and recipes. Enjoy cooking with Food Network Kitchen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.